What happens in this episode? First, we listen to the podcast together. Then we will solve today's worksheet. Just practice 10 minutes every day. Subscribe and let's get started.
Emily, I need to tell you something. Okay, you sound serious. What happened? Yesterday, I had one of the weirdest taxi experiences of my life. Again with taxis? What did you do this time? Nothing on purpose, I swear. But somehow, everything went wrong from the moment I opened the door. Now I'm serious. Tell me everything. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy English by Mayii. I'm Mayii and I'm Emily. And honestly, I already feel this episode is going to be interesting. Today is not a lesson. Not really. It's more like a conversation about real life and maybe a little chaos. A lot of chaos. So start from the beginning. Why did you even take a taxi? I was late as always. Of course. Late for what? I had to meet a friend downtown. At first I thought I have enough time. Famous last words. Exactly. Then suddenly I looked at the clock and it was already 1:45 p.m. And you had to be there at 2? Yes. So I grabbed my bag and ran outside. Did you even check your phone? No, I forget everything. Phone, water, even my confidence. That sounds like a very normal my situation. So I went outside and started looking for a taxi. Was it easy? No, it felt like every taxi in the city disappeared. That's always how it happens. I kept thinking, come on, just one taxi. What did you say when you finally saw one? Nothing smart. I just waved like crazy. And did it stop? Yes, but I think the driver was confused already. Why? Because I opened the door before he even fully stopped. Oh no! He looked at me and said, "Driver, where are you going?" Very standard question. Yes, and I said, "Downtown, please, I'm in a hurry." Good sentence. Then he nodded and started driving. Everything normal so far. That's what I thought too. Okay, I feel something is coming. After a few minutes, he started talking again. About what? He said, "Is this your first time in this city?" Okay, normal conversation. I said, "No, I live here." And then he looked at me in the mirror and said something strange. What did he say? He said, "Are you sure?" Why would he ask that? Exactly my reaction. I asked him, "Why do you ask?" Good question. And he said, "I think you are going to the wrong place." Wait, what? I looked outside and nothing looked familiar anymore. Oh no. And I said downtown. And he said, "This is not downtown." What? At that moment I realized something. What? I didn't actually tell him the exact address. Oh no. I just said downtown, like it's one small place. But it's not. Exactly. Downtown is huge. So, what happened? I had to call my friend and ask for the exact address. Embarrassing. Let me ask something. Have you ever had a taxi driver who talks too much? Oh yes, some drivers talk like we're in a podcast together. Or silence. Silence drivers are worse. You sit there thinking, am I doing something wrong? True. Or they ask, are you tired? And you're like, I just got in the taxi. Anyway, after everything, I finally arrived. How late were you? 15 minutes. Not bad. Honestly, that's a win. But I felt like I lived a full movie. Okay, everyone. Now let's quickly take the usual English from today's conversation. Just a few important phrases. Can you take me to downtown? I'm in a hurry. Where are you going? Please take me to this address. How much is the fare? Repeat after me. Can you take me to downtown? Can you take me to downtown? I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. How much is the fare? How much is the fare? Please stop her. Please stop her. It's time to see how useful this part was for you. Today, we didn't just learn English, we actually followed a real life situation, a messy taxi ride, and a lot of natural conversation. And without even noticing, you heard a lot of real English phrases today. If you enjoyed this episode, tell us in the comments. Have you ever had a confusing taxi experience? One sentence is enough. Just try. And if you want more conversations like this, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you for being here with us today. See you in the next episode. Bye everyone. Bye.